Have you ever wondered how long you stay blacklisted in South Africa? Well, let's delve into the concept of being blacklisted. In South Africa, this means having adverse information on your credit profile. And how does that happen? Usually it's due to non-payment of debt or legal actions taken by creditors. It's a serious matter as it can have impacts that could last up to 7 years, affecting your ability to secure new credit. Blacklisting can make it hard to get new credit. But how long does this last? Stick around as we explore this further. Well, blacklisting durations vary. Now, let's delve into the durations of blacklisting. Judgments are a bit stubborn. They tend to stick around for 5 years, or until they're settled in full. On the other hand, debt review flags tend to be more perplexing, making their exit almost impossible if you have a court order. And let's not forget about adverse payment information. This generally fades away after 2 long years. But is there a way to remove this blacklisting status? Yes, there are ways to unblacklist yourself. It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it's achievable. One of the effective methods is negotiation. Try to work out a repayment plan with your creditors. It's about finding a middle ground that works for both parties. Another route is debt repayment. Paying off your debts promptly can gradually clear your name. Lastly, consider credit repair services. These are professionals who specialize in helping individuals improve their credit profiles. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Improving your credit terms and access to financial products is possible. Credit bureaus play a crucial role in this process. Think of entities such as TransUnion, Experian, XDS, and CompuScan. Their job? Collecting credit information. But why? It's not just about gathering data for data's sake. They're helping lenders assess borrower risk. Yes, these bureaus are the ones who keep track of your financial behavior, your credit history, all to help lenders make informed decisions. They're the unsung heroes or villains, depending on your credit score, of the financial world. Remember, maintaining a healthy credit profile is essential for your financial well-being.